My name's Peter Clark. I'm a Senior Applications Consultant at PKF Smith Cooper Systems. I've created a short video to share with you a bit of work we've been doing with a customer around Sage CRM and Sage200 Stock. I've got a vanilla install of Sage CRM version 2022 R2 and Sage200 on my test system, and all the work we've needed to do to achieve this has been done using standard Sage CRM admin functions. I'm going to log into Sage CRM and I'll show you how we've put that together. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the standard Kinect dashboard set up, and at customer level, we can see in a bit more detail things like orders, returns, quotes, memos, and we've got our snapshot of information from Sage200 in there as well. But specifically, this customer wanted to see a bit more than that and wanted to see what items they had associated to CRM sales orders that hadn't yet been fully dispatched. What we needed to do then was to first of all create a view of information at order level that was going to be looking at Sage200 stock item or order item status. So we created our items not fully dispatched view, which is in here, and this is doing the work to actually just give us those items that haven't yet been fully dispatched. Then we needed to create the lists and screens to show that to the end user. So we created our list. As you can see, the list is linking to our view. We then wanted the user to have the ability to be able to search. So we created a Sage CRM search screen that is linking to our view that we created, and also we're linking it to our list to bring the two things together. In order to present that nicely to the user without needing to create an ASP page or write any script, we then created a block. And in our block, we can see we've got our screen that we created and also our list. Okay, so now we've all got the component parts together, we just need to add that to a menu item to show it to the end user. So within System Menus, we want this to be in the Find menu. And there we have our items not dispatched. What that means to the end user is, as well as having the standard CRM search options available, we also have our custom items not dispatched. We've got our search screen up here, and also if I click Find, we've then got our list of stock items from Sage200 that aren't fully dispatched and the associated CRM order, which we can hyperlink into if we wanted to. We could add any fields onto here from that Sage200 data set that we've got in our view. Likewise, we could amend and add and remove any columns that we want in our list, again just using standard Sage CRM functionality.
That's the end of the video on viewing Sage200 order items not fully dispatched in Sage CRM. If you've got any comments, questions or ideas for further development, please use the comments section or email sage@pkfscs.co.uk. Thank you.